Good morning, class. Happy Tuesday. So I'm going to run you through the asynchronous work that you will be working on for this week. So when you log on to Canvas, remember to go to Announcements, and I have already posted the announcement for this week. It is going to explain to you that you will be assigned a Google Slide assignment. That is the assignment you will be completing for Tuesday through Thursday. You will work at your own pace. I will try to log on from 3 to 3:30 p.m. It's not a guarantee. You can try. If I'm on, I will allow you to join. If I am not on, then you can try the next day. This is only for questions. Okay, most of the assignments are self-paced, pretty self-explanatory. They are not difficult to follow. So I'm going to show you and give you a preview of what the assignment will look like. To open up the asynchronous reading activities, it will be labeled with January 19th through 22nd asynchronous activities. You will get a Google slide. Each slide will have the instructions. It will include a checklist and then the activities that go with it. So the very first page, this is what the checklist will look like. Notice that I only included Tuesday there. You have the assignments to complete for that day. So you are going to copy the poetry anchor chart, you're going to watch the vocabulary video, you're going to complete the Tuesday poetry activity, pick a story from MLK resources, and complete the assigned Achieve 3000 MLK reading passage. This is the anchor chart that you will copy. Notice that I did include a flowcab video and I included username and password. This is a temporary username and password. We will be using this one for now. You will be completing those assignments on your own. On the next slide, you have the poetry activity. You will be clicking each term and dragging it. Remember that you have to get that little arrow with the 4, and you will drag it and place it wherever it belongs. So the term theme. Where would theme belong? How do I know what theme is? The definition or the description. Remember to refer back to your anchor chart if you need help with this. The definitions are here in your anchor chart. So you will place each one of these poetry terms where they belong. Notice that this one is pointing to all of this. So what would all of these be called? Okay. That is the poetry activity from the checklist. Then the resources. This will be completed each day. You will use the next 2 slides for the resources, and you will answer with these 3 question stems. I found interesting, and then include what you found interesting about what you watched or read. I was not aware that, and then tell me something that new that you learned. I wonder more about, and tell me something that maybe you still have questions on. You will do this for each MLK activity. These are the resources. So if you notice, there are pictures here. When you click on them, notice that they will give you links. These links are going to give you videos, maybe books that you can listen to and read. These are the activities that you can choose from. So each one of these has different books. You can pick from there and then use these sentence stems to respond. You have 2 of these slides. This is the second one. So you can choose from the different books that are here, listen to those, and then do the journal response inside your reading notebook. Okay, you can explore this on your own time. You do not have to stick to just one. If you want to do 2, by all means, go ahead. For Wednesday, you have your checklist. This will help you keep track of what you need to complete. So review the anchor chart, rewatch the video, and complete the read and respond. Read and respond is on flowcab. Then you're going to complete activity 2, which will be labeled Poetry Activity 2. I have already told you what this example for the game would be. So you would click on these boxes and type in the rhyme scheme. Then you will go to the next slide and you will continue typing in the rhyme scheme on each one of these boxes. Okay, you will do that for each of these poems. Remember to follow the checklist. You will also do the MOK resources and the Achieve 3000 passage. For Thursday, you have a FlowCab quiz. Pick your next resource from the MOK. Remember, this is going back to these. Go back in there, pick some from there, and complete those. Then you will complete your Achieve 3000, and there is a Google quiz form that you will complete. It is over poetry. Guys, take your time on these assignments. Please do not rush through these. They must all be completed in order to receive full credit for it. Remember, I will be trying to log in from 3 to 3:30 if you have any questions. I will be checking as you are working through your assignments, as you are completing them. Do not waste time. Do not turn in incomplete work. And don't submit after each day. You will submit everything until Friday. Friday we will be logging in at our normal time in the morning, and we will have class like we normally do. We will catch up on how we are doing, where we are in the assignments. Lead your own learning on Achieve. Do not just stick to the MOK passages. You definitely need to still do your 2 English, 2 Spanish. MOK will count for your 2 English, but you still need to do the other 2 Spanish. These are the instructions for this week, guys. I know you can do great with these. My remote learners, you will continue with map testing whenever it's time for your map testing. It's on Dojo, the link for you to sign up. Please ask parents to check Dojo so that they can sign you up for that map test. I will see you guys Friday. Have a wonderful week. Maybe some of you sooner if you log in from 3 to 3:30 if I am online. Okay? Have a great day, guys. I know you can go through these activities and complete them very well. Try your best. Bye.